Hey guys, it's Melanie with Snow Holistic Health. We are back for our Keto Live series, dining out in the lake area. We're going to share with you some examples of foods that are keto friendly that you can eat out when you're hanging with friends and family. But before we get started, we're going to give away our gift card to last week's live series, Tia Juanitas, and the winner is Michelle McGee. So just come to our office and we'll have your gift card waiting for you. Miss Adriana is going to share a little bit of information about the Keto Reset program that we offer now.
Hey guys, so if you're not familiar with the ketogenic diet, it is a diet based on your macronutrient intake. So it's a high-fat diet, moderate protein, and very low carb. Dr. Snow's Ketabolic Reset program was created to help you lose weight, gain a ton of energy, and really build your health up through a whole foods-based ketogenic diet. Our Ketabolic Reset program comes with a ton of videos that are packed with information. There's also a printable program guide, a shopping list, full cookbook. Dr. Snow has paired some great supplements along with the program, and we have keto coaching options for those of you who need extra guidance and accountability. And now Dr. Snow is going to introduce to you guys a very special guest that we have with us today.
Hey everybody, Dr. Eric Snow here from Snow Holistic Health. We're live at Zeus. I want to introduce you to Miriam. Miriam and her family have been coming to Snow Holistic Health for over a decade now. They've gotten great results. They're very proactive with their health. And we introduced this program and Miriam said, hey, I want to be a part of it. And she decided to do the coaching. And so we want y'all to have a real life story of somebody on her Ketabolic Reset and the benefits and just awesome things that she's learned. And so tell us just a little bit, a couple points about the coaching and things that you're benefiting from being in ketosis.
Well, with the keto coaching, Adriana has been able to help me figure out my macros, the weekly weigh-ins, the weekly ketone checks. It has been amazing because it keeps me on track and it keeps me just focused. She's helped me figure out when I'm fixing dinner, keeping it simple, not getting complicated with it. So the fats, not just fats, but healthy fats with moderate protein and low carb. She's just been a blessing.
Awesome. Well, what have you noticed as far as your energy and weight loss, Miriam?
Energy up.
Awesome.
Brain fog is lifting. I am able to keep up with my little girl. She's 3, and it's amazing. I love how I'm feeling.
Great. And then another cool thing that we found, guys, through Miriam's keto coaching, we actually found a few keto-friendly foods that were not reacting right with her body. They were bringing her ketones down, slowing down her weight loss, and we were able to find those, take them out. Her ketones went up and her weight went down. And so that was really cool. And you're doing great, getting results.
Yes, I am. I'm excited.
Yeah, Miriam's done really well. I think that's neat though, and I've seen that when you're working with patients. Sometimes you might not see a patient for another month, but when you're trying to really go through a program, especially with weight loss, accountability, and then be able to find out things that quickly on a weekly basis. A lot of people, they feel like the ketogenic diet because they don't realize dairy's kicking them out, or maybe these sugar alcohols, and they don't lose the weight that they want. And so I think that's neat, a great benefit of, and the accountability with the program. And you're doing so well.
Thank you.
Awesome. Miss Adriana, what we have here?
All right, so I ordered the gyro salad today. It comes with lettuce that is coated in olive oil. Olive oil is a really healthy fat. And then we also got some sides of their garlic mayo here for everyone to share. And then Miriam, what did you order?
I ordered the shrimp kebabs with the veggie kebabs. It comes with rice and hummus, but I subbed it out for a side salad. Dr. Snow, what did you get?
Yeah, so first I just want to say thank you to Zeus for having us here. This food looks great. Thanks for letting us come to your restaurant and teach people about health and the healthy food options that you do offer. And so I went with the gyro salad as well. I love the salad. I've eaten it many times. I actually feel my energy go up after I eat this, and I believe it's from the healthy fatty acids that are in the lamb meat. Has the mixed salad, Kamala olives, I like that a lot. And then this here is veggie kebabs with the salad. And this is an excellent thing to order even before your meal, because all the fiber, especially the fiber in the mushrooms, it's going to make you feel full quicker and make you feel satiated. And that is a big weight loss tip, as we've talked about, is getting enough fiber and vegetables so that you feel full and you don't need to eat again. Melody?
I got the chicken shawarma salad on top of a feta salad, drizzled with olive oil. And then Miss Katie, our cameraman today, she ordered the steak kebab along with a veggie kebab and a side salad drizzled with olive oil. It all looks beautiful and we can't wait to dive in. We want to thank Miriam for being our special guest today. We're super proud of all the progress she has made, and we want to thank you for joining us again. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video for your chance to win a gift card to Zeus. We'll be giving that away next week. And then also check out eHolistic Health for our Ketabolic Reset program. It has all of the information about what Miss Adriana talked to you about today, so be sure to check that out, and we look forward to seeing you again next week.